In this step, we're going to display our score on the screen. So we need to go and edit our player script again. And up here, when the level starts, we've created our score variable. Let's also create a text field, a bit of text that we can display on the screen. Text fields are under draw. So we'll go to draw and we'll find this block here under text, create text field with text. And we'll connect that underneath our score variable when the level starts. Now, what do we want the text field to say? We could get it to just say 0 to begin with. Now, if we play this, we should be able to see there's our text field, but it's just sitting there on that tile. We don't want that. We want it to sit in the interface of our game, constantly in the corner of our screen. So, back in our player script, let's position that object constantly. So we'll go find our constantly block here. Let's make a bit of space here. We want to set the position of the text field. So if we go to transform, we want set X position of myself to 0. We want an X and we want a Y. Set the Y position as well. Now we don't want to be setting the position of myself, the player. So get those myself blocks out of there. We want to be setting the position of the text field. Now text field is stored as a variable. So let's go to variables and grab instance text field. Instance means object. Instance text field. Set the position of the text field, the X position and the Y position. Do we want it to go to 0? Well, 0 is in the corner of the game. We actually want it to go to the corner of the camera. So get those zeros out of there and go to looks. We want blocks that give us the position of the camera, because the camera moves around all the time following the player. We want camera X, and we can duplicate that to get camera Y as well for the Y position. Let's play that, and now we can see our score text field is up in the corner there. Very good, but it doesn't increase when we collect our collectibles. In the next step, we will update that text field.